We have got a 1974 Corvette Roadster body off frame number matching car loaded with options. We have both tops and we have air conditioning, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, tilt-telescopic wheel, rear window defogger, power windows. It's got all those goodies and then some. They've added rack and pinion to it. Some upgraded gas shocks, fiberglass leaf spring. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. You can also go to volocars.com, take your time and read the information and study all the pictures top to bottom. That's also where you'll find the price tag, not only on this one, but on every car we have along with the finance option if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, it tops down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, body off frame restored. I bought 3 fantastic cars from the estate of a car collector. This one, a Challenger and a Camaro. It is body off frame restored. Everything under the car looks new or rebuilt. Like the front end, all the steering, suspension, bushings, ball joints, all of it looks new. The metal components are all painted glossy. In back, it has the same thing. It's all new. Has an upgraded fiberglass rear leaf spring and the Bilstein gas shocks. Again, they did add rack and pinion steering. Dual exhaust system looks new. Has Flowmaster mufflers in the back. The fiberglass floors look to be all original. They're not painted over. They're original like they should be. I didn't see any damage. The big fiberglass spare tire carrier is still underneath the bottom of the car there. These come with four-wheel disc brakes. That looks like it's all been redone. The brake lines, fuel lines are all new. E-brake assembly. I mean, when you really look underneath, it all looks like it was replaced. All the clamps and clips and brackets either replaced or restored. I didn't mention these have independent suspension front and back for those that don't know that. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The Chevy orange oil pan, the starter, the fuel pump, the oil sending unit, all of it looks like new. Has the flywheel cover. It has its original VIN number matched turbo 400 automatic transmission. Has the tag riveted to the side that's dated 1974. The drive shaft is restored and made to look pretty. It's painted and the U-joints look new. Has the original rear end with a 308 gear. It's a nice cruising gear. So underneath the car is fantastic. Now let's check out the body. I'll be honest with you, I've walked around it, but I haven't gotten up close and personal yet with the body. It all fits really well. I don't see any damage. This is all in really nice shape. No damage, no cracks. Straight. The rubber bumper, excellent condition. 74 was the only year with the split bumper. I don't see any damage. It fits the body really well, precisely. No damage to the body. The paint is beautiful. While we're waiting for it to come around, I'll talk a little about the paint. Silver metallic, and it's really sparkly, and it looks wet. It has a clear coat that's polished. It really looks wet and smooth. There are marks from the top. I can see where the hardtop sat on the car, and a little bit from the soft top. So there are marks in the paint. They all get that, unfortunately, from the top. A little scratch right there. But now back to the body. This door looks really nice. I don't see any damage. This all looks really nice. Hood fits real nice. No damage. Headlights work. We'll demonstrate it when we back the car out. That's all in excellent shape. The front rubber bumper is excellent. There's no damage here either. That fits real nicely. Lines up with the body. These line up nice. So I don't see any damage with the body. And the paint, just like I was saying back there, it sparkles, it's smooth, it's glossy, it looks deep. Boy, right here, it looks beautiful. It's laid out nice. No cloudiness, no blotchiness. The windshield's the original. There's a faint wiper mark and little specks, so original windshield in good shape. This chrome has a little bit of wear. That might be original. 15 by 8 Corvette Rally wheels, and they look like new. The wheel, all the trim, tires in excellent shape. I forgot to mention this is an option too, the luggage rack on the back, and that looks beautiful. Lenses, emblems look nice. Antenna, this is the correct antenna. It looks new. Black convertible top is in excellent shape. You can see pictures of that on our website, and we'll show you the hardtop in just a minute. But let's open it up and show you the inside and under the hood. So the back of the car is beautiful. There's no trunk to show you, but this is unique. That's a rear window defogger that blows on the window. It's a pretty rare feature in a convertible. There are a few nicks over on this side too. There's a couple, little imperfections that I probably didn't point out around the car, but it shows great. Door jambs are beautiful. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels are new. The dash area, the knobs, the vents, the instruments, all that looks to be in great shape. It does have a retro stereo, so this is part of that. You must be able to talk to it. Here's the owner's manual. This is all real nice. Carpet's replaced. Center console's really nice. 454. Right here, this plastic slider, that's available. A few Phillips screws. Anyone can take that apart and replace that. But you got power windows. The seats look like they've been reupholstered. Interior lights work. And behind the seat is a convertible top. There's some speakers, 2 speakers just sitting there. They're kind of hard to see, but you'll see them in the pictures on the website. It's painted underneath the lid. This is the last year, the 454 in a Corvette. So this is all done up. This is number matching engine. We'll start on top. It's the complete cowl induction system. It's all there. Has a GM aluminum intake. Carb is electric choke. It's got an HEI distributor right here. And then we got power brakes, and a lot of these components were replaced. The alternator looks new. Stock valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds, the shroud, the clutch fan, the hose, all that looks proper, correct. Down here, the vacuum pods for the headlights, the hoses, that all looks like it's been replaced. Factory air conditioning, it's updated to 134. We've got the overflow bottle. Everything's here, proper, clean. Under the hood, the insulation, everything looks really nice. And then we've got the hardtop. The bottom side, very nice original. Looks like there's some, well, that's wiping off. And then the other side was repainted when they painted the car. The rubber looks to be very good original. This car is a fantastic value, and I'll tell you why. Body off frame restoration started $100,000 these days in a shop. Right here, you've got a number matching Corvette Roadster loaded. Who ordered a 454 with air conditioning in a convertible back then? Not many people. So you've got an investment grade car that's gone through a body off frame restoration. It's an excellent investment. It's one that you can enjoy. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. A couple hairline cracks in the paint, actually here and here, probably from pushing down like I just did. Anyway, salesman can help finance it and get it delivered at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.